Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is GCraft Learning Hub. Without wasting so much of your time, I want to teach you guys how you can sell using Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, how you can sell using Facebook Marketplace. You know, some of us who uses Facebook as a consumer, and we just go on Facebook, put on message some text, put on some photos, and we see likes and comments, and that is all. But each and every one of us will deny the fact that there is something we are doing that gives us daily income, if not daily, monthly. Alright? And if you do not have it, one avenue for you to create another source of income. Now, Facebook Marketplace is one of the least places you can really make good sell from your business. Okay, this is my Facebook. Let me open Facebook and I'll show you the end to end everything. Now, this is my Facebook. Okay, how do you market your product on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace? Now, when you open your Facebook app, you see something like this, an interface like this on my own, what you're seeing. Now you see this icon that has two on my own. This one that has two on my own. That is the marketplace. This one and this one, yeah. That is the marketplace where you have to click. And when you click it, you see things like this. And the reason why you are seeing cars in my post is because I deal in cars, and I must tell you I've sold a lot of cars from just marketplace. It's free. It's absolutely free, so you have to utilize it. Okay, it's one of the free features Facebook has given to all its community to utilize them. All right. Now you've opened your marketplace, as you can see from the beginning. Marketplace, you go to sell. You see this sell. Okay, you click this sell. Now once you have clicked this sell, this pops up. Now one thing I like doing is, first of all, I will want to click the add photos, to add the photos of what I'm selling. Now mind you, when adding photos on your listing, when you're adding photos on this page, make sure to add photos that are clean, photos that are attractive, photos that are nice. Okay, let me tell you, if you should go to the market right now and you go to where they sell tomatoes, for example, and you see fresh tomatoes and you see the other tomatoes that looks worn out, which will you go for? Of course you go for the fresh ones. That is, your eyes has attracted you to those ones. That is the same way it is when marketing or promoting your business. The visuals has to be attractive. Okay, so when you click on add photos, make sure you are adding clean photos. Alright, mine is loading up. Make sure you add clean photos that would attract a lot of buyers to your product, whatever you're doing. Alright, if you're offering services, you must have created a flyer. Alright, and your flyer must be attractive. Your flyer must be attractive. The colors of your flyer should be, the colors of your flyer should be something that resonates with what you're doing. Okay, yeah. What do I mean by that? You can't be you are into agro allied, or let me say you're into foods, and then your your flyer is carrying white, sky blue all around. It doesn't resonate now. It has to be with something uh, red pepperish, something yellowish. You get what I mean? Yeah, that's the same way for all business. Okay. I don't know why my own is not popping up, but let me click this picture here. I have it. Alright. Now, when I click it, then I put done. Okay. it processes and loads that particular picture you have selected. Sometimes you can select multiple pictures at a time. Alright. But here on my app here, I can only select one app at a time. Alright. So if yours is like, I can only select one picture at a time. Sorry, beg your pardon. So if yours is like mine, you still do the same. You go back again, and then you upload again, and then you pick a photo. Alright. Now, good. Then I can pick this. Okay. Then done. You can see it. Now you can put as much pixel as you like, but preferably I would advise you put nothing less than 5 or 6 pictures. Okay. Yeah. So when you're done, you can see the first category. Okay. Now the reason why I said you should add your photos first is because you already have in mind adding your photo now. You already have in mind what you want to sell, what you want to put out on marketplace. Now you go to this category. Okay. Remember those pictures I put are just an example. Okay. Now remember, when you open this category, you see a lot of categories. Vehicles, under vehicle we have vehicles, housing, home sale or rentals, home and garden, furniture, household appliance, tools, go out garden, electronics. You have electronics and computer, mobile phones. Then you have classified under, you have garage sale and miscellaneous. Hobbies, you have sports and outdoors, articles and collectibles, musical instrument, and so on and so forth. You can take your time to explore each and every category that you have here. Alright. Now, for example, if I'm selling let me say a vehicle, I'll click a vehicle. Alright. Now, every category you click on, it brings a sort of ribbon or a drop down where you can fill in the exact um, information for that particular product. Alright. Now I click on vehicle and you see it's giving me vehicle type. You can see this vehicle type. Alright. For example, let me click on let me click on appliances or furnitures. Yeah, household. You get? Now I click on household. You see it changed. Alright. So something you have to play with, and it's totally free. Alright. The same way you are using your data to surf the internet, watch skits, reels and all, you can use it this Facebook marketplace for a lot. Alright. People that do drop shipping, see, let me tell you, you mustn't be your product. If you know someone who is a close person to you, and you know he's trustworthy, right? You guys have built some level of trust between each other, and he's into business, and he has commodities, physical commodities that he sells. Get pictures from him, put them up here. People chat you. When they chat you, you 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 sell, or if you want to connect, then you do. Or if you don't want to connect the buyers with your friend or the person you're talking to, you handle the full business and you get your own cut. That is how business is done. Alright. So Let me go back to vehicles. Alright, and after vehicles, we have vehicle type here. And I select vehicle type, it gives me the type of vehicle that I want to market. Is it car or truck, or is it, sorry, is it car or truck, or is it motorcycle or power bikes or RVs or boats or commercial, industrial or trailer orders? Okay, I'm selling a car, then I click the car. Alright, now it takes me to the year of the car. If that car is a 2010 model of car, I click 2010 model. Alright, the make of the car, that is the brand name, which is Toyota. Put Toyota. The model is Camry. Then the trim of the car, is it luxury edition, is it sport edition, is it just common edition, is it extreme lock edition? It is LE. Alright, body style, convertible, coupe, hatchback, minivan, sedan, and so on. Sedan is for small cars. I put this sedan. Then fuel type, you can see here fuel type, it uses petroleum. Alright, then interior of the vehicle, I can choose, the interior I will choose off-white. Okay, and and then the exterior of the vehicle, I can put black. This information, mind you, this information I'm imputing here are the correct information regarding the product I'm selling. Alright, this is just for cars category. Okay, take for example, let me change this category now. I'm changing to furnitures. You can see now the first thing I'm having here is condition. What is the condition of this furniture you're selling? Is it new? Is it used like new? Or is it used in a good condition, or the condition is a fair condition? Alright, you must be able to determine the condition of that product you're selling. If it is new, you put it new. Alright, the brand of that furniture you are selling, you put it there. The material, you can see it wooden, metal, glass, and also you put it there, and all. Okay, now after you have done this, okay, now there is something again I want to, where is the most important part is your price, your location, and the description. Now this description is what you say to really attract buyers. Okay, it doesn't necessarily need to be bulk. Okay, you just have to find some accurate keywords and some nice write-ups, which if you are a buyer and you want to buy from marketplace, what would you like to see buying from marketplace? Alright, what would convince you to buy this apart from the nice pictures? Okay, the captions as well matters. So when you put a good caption here, and always try to put in your phone number here, call number and WhatsApp number. Alright, so people can reach you directly. Okay, after you're finished writing your description, the price as well, you put the price. Make sure your price is not overpriced. There is one thing about marketplace. Overpriced products in marketplace don't sell. Overpriced products in marketplace don't sell. Take that from me. Okay, if you try to inflate your prices, you won't get any message, you won't get any calls. Okay, so keep your price moderate. I'm not saying you should run into loss. Okay, but just know that when you overprice and you overinflate the price, you won't get any sales. Alright, now then put every information, and then when you're done, you click publish. You can see the publish button here. You click the publish. Now when you click the publish, I have not been able to, okay, let me, you see they said enter a title to get. Alright, let me for example car, vehicle, car and truck. I'm trying to show you something. After I'm done, okay, now what I'm trying to say is when you click publish, okay, now this is the reason why you have to join a lot of group that deals with your business. Okay, search for groups, a lot of groups that deal with your business. All right, on Facebook, join as much as you can. Okay, now when you publish this, when you click this publish, now it will take you to where you can share this your post across all groups. Okay, across groups where buyers are. All right, so you can click as much as 20 groups. You can only share to 20 groups. When you click those 20 groups, then you share them. And when you share them, your post is being forwarded to all those groups. From there, you start getting buyers and patronage. All right, I believe this has been helpful to as many of you who have not seen the usage, the need for Facebook Marketplace. Like I said, it doesn't actually need to be your product. All right, it doesn't actually need to be your product. Okay, you can get people who are into one thing or the other, physical product, okay, and put it on a marketplace. Snap nice pictures and put it on a marketplace. You get messages and calls, so long as your phone number is written on at the description. Now, there is one thing people who use marketplace and say marketplace does not pay. There is one thing they have been failing, and I will tell you that on our next video. Thank you.